Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some homemade green seasoning, and right now I'm just packing everything in my blender. I already washed my vegetables. I'm using a large onion. I used about six green onion, otherwise known as scallion. I used a bunch of celery, a bunch of cilantro cut up, and I used about 6 sticks of fresh thyme. I used lots of garlic. I used some sweet pepper, the small sweet peppers. I also added some pimento seeds, I added some oil, and I added some water also. Then I blended it all together and poured it in some mason jars that I had. And yeah, so this seasoning can be used on anything. It can be used on your vegetable dishes. It can be used on fish, chicken, pork, beef, whatever it is. And this is really healthy because it's just vegetables. All of the seasoning and stuff. There was no powder season added to it. I just added a little bit of salt for taste, and that's about it. So please subscribe to my channel at Cook and Chat with Sam on YouTube, and subscribe and follow and share. Thank you. Bye. Hey.